Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are in the beautiful country of Senegal, and the plan for today is to go onto the Pink Lake. So it's going to be quite nice, quite exciting. We're going to go inside and see how it looks in the Pink Lake, and then we're going to go and see the monument of the Renaissance on the way back to the hotel. We have come from Guinea from Conakry. Now we're in Dakar, and then we go back to Dubai for Christmas. So enjoy the clips from today. I hope we can get some nice ones, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so we're still here at La Cruz, just out in the sand dunes, out on the quad bikes. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. Having a great time. We're going to go down to the Pink Lake after this, so keep watching, hope you keep enjoying. If you are, like and subscribe. Good old fashioned with the Emirates crew, it's now photo shoot time. So if you just look ahead, we're all doing our photo shoots on the beach. Senegal is incredible.
Wow, we look so bad there. Then we knew they nigga. Ole man.
Ole! I can just fall in, yeah?
No.
I can just... Oh, wow! Nice!
How solid it is! He can float.
Wow, it stinks though. Ah,
That's how solid.
this is very nice.
Wow.
Like the Dead Sea, no? It's really cool.
Yeah, that's the African Dead Sea. Like
That's really interesting. Just, can I just stay here, get a tan?
yeah, you can stay here.
Okay.
We go around.
Okay. Time to help collect some salt. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ah,
Vous allez bien?
très bien. It's easy, you just float. It's so strange.
Here you have to go.
Yeah. So strange.
Floating or walking?
No, walking.
Interesting.
Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Senegalese Dead Sea.
You want a gin and tonic?
Just floating.
Where's your phone, Dominic?
It's in my bag. Yeah, I'll take it from the group.
Yeah.
Dominic. Ah, okay. It's really shallow actually. So that was the Pink Lake. We're finished now, going back to the hotel. You definitely would not think we're 3 days out from Christmas, that's for sure. So, just one thing left to say. 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Woo!